Imagine an invisible sea of cosmic ripples, operating since the universe's dawn. These are gravitational waves, echoes of colliding supermassive black holes. Through the 15-year nanograv experiment, we've detected these waves and listened to their low-frequency song. This cosmic symphony affirms Einstein's general relativity theory and reveals the galaxy's development post-Big Bang. Supermassive black holes, millions or billions times the sun's mass, are every galaxy's core. The gravitational wave background they form aids in understanding the early universe. We've detected these waves using millisecond pulsars, findings backed by global telescopes. Next, observing these cosmic collisions in visible light for deeper insight. Stay tuned to this cosmic symphony. Our exploration of the universe's hidden melodies continues.